Good morning, student. Today we are perform the next experiment of digital circuit lab, and for this procedure I already explained you. And what the procedure of this lab? For this lab I already tell you the procedure. And once again I will try to procedure. Simple, you open your Google Chrome browser, and in Google Chrome browser you can see, you simple type virtual lab and open the virtual lab, and you get these are virtual labs available on digital circuit labs or virtual labs. Now we go to digital circuit lab. And, this is the experiment list for digital circuit labs. List of experiment of digital circuit lab. Go to analysis and synthesis of Boolean expression using basic logic gates. And this is the theory part of this experiment. These are the IC 7400 means NAND gates, 7402 NOR gates. These are the IC. You can your teacher explain you in classroom, either your online class. And this is the simulation part of this lab. Experiment first tab we already performed. Now today we perform the experiment number second. So open the experiment number second, and this is the Boolean expression. So we can verify the help of this simulator. This is the Boolean expression: a plus b is equal to a bar c is equal to a plus c into a bar plus b. Now we suppose Z1 is equal to, this is the Z1, and Z1 is equal to a into b plus a bar c, and Z2 is equal to a plus c into a bar plus b. Now you can make low and high by the help of these sections. Red so low and green so high, means red so 0 and green so 1. Similar, red so b is equal to 0 and green so b is equal to 1. Now similar, we can make a, b, c low and high from this section. Now first we make a is equal to 1, a high means a is equal to b 1. Now put Z1 is equal to a plus b. Here Z1 is equal to a plus b plus a bar c. Now you put a is equal to 1 in this expression. A is equal to 1 and b is equal to 0. Means 0. A bar a is equal to 1 means a bar is equal to 0, means c is equal to already 0, means a bar c is equal to 0, then Z1 is equal to 0, then this is LED is not on. Now put a is equal to 1 plus c is equal to 0. A 1 c 0 means 1. A bar is equal to, what is the a bar? A is equal to 1, a bar is equal to 0 and b is equal to 0. Then this is 0, and after multiplication we get Z2 is equal to 0. Means Z2 is equal to 0 means LED is not on. Now we make B high. What happened? Now LED is on. Means Z1 is equal to 1 and Z2 is equal to also 1. Now put A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1. Now put here A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1 means 1. A bar is equal to, A is equal to 1, then A bar is equal to 0, C is equal to 0. Then this is 0. Then Z1 is equal to 1 means LED is on. Now put here A is equal to 1 and C is equal to 0. C is equal to 0. And 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. A bar, what is the A bar? A is equal to 1, then A bar is equal to 0. B is equal to 1 means put here 1, then 0 plus 1, 1, multiply this, Z2 is equal to 1. Then we get Z2 is equal to 1, then both expressions are verified for A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 0. For A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 0. Z1 is equal to 1 and Z2 is equal to also 1. Now, if A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 1. Now put A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, 1, A bar A is equal to 1, then A bar is equal to 0 and C is equal to 1, 0 means Z1 is equal to 1. LED Z1 is output of this is high. Now Z2 is equal to A is equal to 1 and C is equal to 1. Similar, A is equal to 1 means A bar is equal to 0 and B is equal to also 1. Then this one and this one multiply, Z1 is equal to 1 means Z2 is equal to 1 means LED is on. So dear student, this was the second experiment of digital circuit lab. You can easily verify the given Boolean expression by the help of this lab. Thank you very much.